Hello everyone. Welcome to Magical Stocks channel, where fundamentals meet technical. It was not a good week for the Philippine Stock Exchange. The PSE index went down from 6,923.6 last October 1, 2021, to 6,906.86 this October 8, 2021. This performance is equivalent to a minus 0.24% decrease in the index for the week. Our magical stocks also went down from 708.88k pesos to 705.25k pesos, or a minus 0.51% decrease in our investment. Overall, our magical stocks profit went down from 108.06k pesos to 104.43k pesos. We were able to sell one of our magical stock last October 8, 2021, and so far it is the stock that has the highest gain. We will further discuss how we did it, but before we proceed with our discussion, and if you are interested in investing using our magical stocks or monitoring our system's effectiveness, please like this channel, subscribe and hit the notification button to keep you updated weekly. We bought SCC or Semirara Mining and Power Corporation last January 18, 2021, at 13.52 pesos per share. We purchased 2,500 shares. Our target is to sell it between 20 to 35 pesos per share. The price went down to 12 pesos per share from February to March 2021. The price went up to almost 14 pesos per share when it declared a dividend of 1.25 pesos per share. We were able to realize 8.3% of dividend payment. We held the stock and it started to go up last May 2021. It went up to 17 pesos per share last July and further went up to 19 pesos per share last September. On September 30th, it reached our minimum selling target of 20 pesos per share. At this point, we are already looking at selling the stock. When we saw the consolidation at 24 pesos per share, we finally sold our SCC at 25.05 pesos per share. We gained 91.38% or 30,976.8 pesos. This is the highest gain so far in all our magical stocks. So far, we already sold 4 stocks, and here is its gain. First is LTG with a 35.88% gain or 10,752.77 pesos. The second is DMC with a 47.44% gain or 13,954.74 pesos. The third is Glow with a 45.11% gain or 16,938.3 pesos. Fourth is SCC with a 91.38% gain or 30,976.8 pesos. Overall, the realized gain is 72,622.61 pesos, or a 55.51% gain in our investment. So far, we are doing good in our investment. To summarize the performance of our investment for week 52, here is the worksheet for our 4 batches of magical stocks. Our top performer is SCC gaining 11.66%, while the least performer is FGen losing minus 11.59%. We have one sell signal for our magical stocks which we sold last October 8. Our first batch is above the market with a gap of 10.87% this October 8, 2021, coming from 9.19% last October 1, 2021. Our second batch is above the market with a gap of 26.29% this October 8, 2021, coming from 24.59% last October 1, 2021. Our third batch is above the market with a gap of 2.86% this October 8, 2021, coming from 6.32% last October 1, 2021. Our fourth batch is above the market with a gap of 3.77% this October 8, 2021, coming from 5.26% last October 1, 2021. To summarize our investment, the first batch of magical stocks is gaining by 27.18%, coming from 25.78%. The second batch is gaining by 22.17%, coming from 20.71%. The third batch is gaining by 10.51%, coming from 14.24%. The fourth batch is gaining by 3.67%, coming from 5.41%. Overall, with an investment of 600.82k pesos, our investment's current value is 705.25k pesos, equivalent to 17.38%, coming from 17.99%. We have a gaining first batch, a gaining second batch, a gaining third batch, and a gaining fourth batch. That will be all for the Magical Stocks update this week. Thank you for watching. Next week, we will continue updating the 4 batches of Magical Stocks and the 8 experimental stocks. Quote, losses are necessary, as long as they are associated with a technique to help you learn from them. Unquote. David Sikasana. See you in the following video, have a great day ahead.